Hey, what's up my friends and fans? I'm with another episode of Roblox. Today we'll be playing Team Fortress. Now, here's the thing. I'm gonna do multiple episodes of this, I promise. But I'm gonna do all the characters. And then I might be able to do more. I don't know, I'll choose. But hey, everything's working far. So let's get in and start doing. Well, that was disappointing. You failed. I just started too and I failed. Ooh, pin target, that one's a good one. Oh wait, no. Everyone's called pin target. A lot of them are called pin target. Here. Traveling to this map. I don't know which it is. Because I can't see it. Oh, there's medkits and ammo. Alright. Pyro. Wait, no. Not pyro. Not a cloak. No, no, no. You shot at me. Haha, it's time we spy. Going into the back lines just for some defense. He's sapping my sentry. Tried to sap his. Ow, what? I thought it looked like the. Aw. I'm gonna have to keep it out. Oh my god, that heavy's brutal. I have to keep my disguise kit out. Here, 3 will be the spy. Will be their spy. Wait, no. Let's be their pyro. Oh my god, I was hidden and they knew. They knew I was the freaking pyro. Here's the thing, if you pull out a weapon, they think that, alright, here. Let's place the heavy. Disgusting. Disgusting! Oh! Spawn camping. Oh, that's great. Right here. You know what? Should we go? Around that corner, heavy. No! He shot me with a shotgun. Dang it! There's no way I could do anything. Here, wait. I could do something. Let me be the pyro real quick. Then I'll burn him. Here. Here. Come at me, boy. I'll flame you. Come at me! This place is crazy. I'm screwed. What are you doing? Yes, I got one, I think. Yeah, I did! Woo! My life is complete. I did something. Alright, cool. Oh, very good. Snap, got away. Alright. What the? No! Alright, we need to flame him. This is scary, man. It's scary. Oh. Snap, jump, man. Ow, I'm getting shot by a sentry. Sap him! No! The engineer. The sneakiest. Alright, you know what? I need to be a spy. Alright. They will never expect the medic. What are you doing? Dang it! How did he see me? I'm trying to be a tryhard here. Well, it's not. Anyway, how do I just click close? The medic. That's who I'll be. The medic from Team Fortress. Here, medic. Medic. Alright, I can't use a teleporter. Of course I can't. Syringe gun. No, wait. You're too crazy. You're never gonna survive out there. I'm the medic. So. Snap. Medic. 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 No, get. I'm trying to help you. What are you doing? Oh no. Oh no. That ain't good. That ain't good. They're sapping my sentry. Alright, correct. It's time we go out in the open, boys. Woo! No one saps my sentry. I got him with the syringe gun. Oh, this gun's perfect. No. Medic! Oh, I can't believe I died. I was a medic. I do like the pyro. Oh, I was supposed to be playing as one character. Well, I'll be playing as multiple this episode. Get 'em! The turkeys. No, say no to no one. Oh, crud. No! The sniper. I'll be spy.